Hi friends, this is Sachin Deshmukh and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel English Grammar by Sachin Deshmukh, and I request you to subscribe to my channel if you are not a subscriber of it. Today we are going to speak about pronouns, and in pronouns we are going to speak about persons. There are different persons in pronouns. I will write here some sentences. Ram was singing he is working now. He is working now. Number 2, Sita was sleeping. Sita was sleeping. She is playing now. She is playing now. This book is read. This book is read. It is here. It is here. It is here. Number 4, that cat is black. That cat is black. It is under the table. It is under the table. So these are some of the sentences. See, in these sentences, the pronouns he, she, it, again it, they stand for names of persons and animals and things. See, as far as the first sentence is concerned, Ram was singing, he is working now. In this sentence, this pronoun he, it is for person, Ram. Then Sita was sleeping, she is playing now. In this sentence, she is for Sita, person. Okay, this book is read, it is here. So the pronoun it is for a thing, and that cat is black, it is under the table. So this pronoun it is for cat, animal. So these pronouns they are for persons, animals or things. Now we will speak about the different persons, which is, see, there are 3 persons: first person, second person and third person. There are 3 persons. So we will speak about these persons, which is first person, which is second person and which is third person, that we will speak about. First person. First person. See, I and we. I and we, these two pronouns are of first person. I is singular and we is plural. I and we stand for the person or person speaking. So they stand for the person who is speaking. So I is first person singular and we is first person plural. Then second person. See, for second person, singular and plural same, that is you. You, it is singular as well as plural, and you stands for the person or persons spoken to. Okay, spoken to, the persons who are in front of us. I first person, or if somebody is with me, we first person, and we speak to somebody. So spoken to, that is you, that is the second person. And third person, he, she, it, third person, and singular, he, she, it, singular, and their plural is they. So we can see they stand for person, animal, or things. Spoken about, we speak about an animal, we speak about a person, about an animal, or about a thing. So spoken about. So if we speak about a person, about a male person, you can make use of he. If you speak about females, you can make use of she. If you speak about animals or things, you can make use of it. And when you speak about plural persons, animals or things, you can make use of they. So spoken about. Now I think you have understood. First person, I is singular, we is plural. Second person, you is singular as well as plural. And third person, he, she, it, singular, they, plural. We will prepare sentences, simple sentences of these pronouns. First person, okay. First person. Then second person, and then third person. Singular and plural. Singular and plural. I will write some sentences. See, I go, it is singular. We go, its plural is we go, plural. Then you go, it is singular. You go, it is singular. Plural is also you go. Here, he, she, it goes. Okay, he goes, she goes, and it goes. So as far as third person singular is concerned, you have to make use of yes form in simple present tense. As per as yes form, you have to add yes or es to the verb as far as the third person singular is concerned. And its plural is they go. So today we studied persons. Okay, we studied pronouns, and in pronouns we studied person. So there are three persons: first person, second person, and third person. As far as first person is concerned, I is singular, we is plural. For second person, singular and plural is same, you. And third person singular, he, she, it, and its plural is they. So thank you very much for watching the video. I request you to share my video with your friends, and if you are not a subscriber of my channel English Grammar by Sachin Deshmukh, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.